In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emphasis in Elevenlabs. Whether you're crafting a dynamic presentation, creating content for a podcast, or just exploring the possibilities of text-to-speech technology, understanding how to add emphasis can make your narration more engaging and impactful. So let's walk through the process together, step by step. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to Elevenlabs. If this is your first time visiting the site, familiarize yourself with the interface. It's designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making your experience as straightforward as possible. Once you're there, you'll want to select the text-to-speech option. This feature is located in the main menu, and it's where the magic happens. Selecting text-to-speech will open up the editor, which is where you'll input the text you want to be transformed into speech. Now go ahead and type your text in the editor as you normally would. Don't worry about making it perfect just yet. You'll have the opportunity to tweak it for emphasis shortly. At this stage, focus on getting all the content you need converted into text. To add emphasis to your text, you can make use of simple punctuation and capitalization tricks. For example, capitals can be used to stress a particular word, while punctuation marks like exclamation points can add urgency or excitement. These small changes can significantly affect how the text is interpreted and read by the software, lending your audio an engaging quality. After you've entered and adjusted your text, it's time to head over to the Settings or Voice Design section. This is where Elevenlabs really stands out, offering robust options to customize the voice output. By playing around with these settings, you can add the right level of emphasis to your speech. Look for options such as stability and style exaggeration. Adjusting the stability setting will help maintain the consistent tone you're looking for, while style exaggeration will allow you to dramatize certain parts of the speech to make it more engaging. Once you've adjusted these parameters to your satisfaction, the final step is to click on Generate Speech. This will transform your text into audio with all the emphasis you've carefully crafted through the settings you've adjusted. Take a moment to listen to the output and ensure it aligns with your expectations. If necessary, go back and make further tweaks to the settings for an even finer level of control over how your speech sounds. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can expertly add emphasis to text in Elevenlabs, making your audio content more compelling and effective. Keep experimenting with different texts and settings to discover what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our guides to enhance your text-to-speech projects.